Welcome back to the Mobile App Launch System series. Quick recap of episode 5. We discussed how documentation protects you from developer dependency, keeps you in control of your app, and allows any new team to continue the project without restarting. Today, in episode 6, we're talking about something many founders ignore until it's too late: why app testing matters before launch. Most apps fail not because of bad ideas, but because users find bugs, experience crashes, or face slow performance. And here is the uncomfortable truth: developers cannot properly test their own code. They only see what they meant to build, not what the user actually experiences. This is where proper QA comes in. A QA tester looks at your app from a user's perspective. They test it on different phones, different networks, different screen sizes, and different use cases you may never think about. Let's break down what QA checks. Functionality: does every button, screen, and feature work as expected? Usability: can a new user navigate without confusion? Performance: does the app lag, freeze, or consume too much battery? Device compatibility: does it work on Android, iPhone, tablets, and older OS versions? Network behavior: does your app crash when the network is slow or fluctuating? Security checks: are payments, logins, and user data secure? Now, let's look at real examples. A food delivery startup skipped testing because they were in a hurry to launch. The first week, the app crashed during dinner hours. They received one-star reviews, refund requests, and had to rebuild half the app after launch at double the cost. Another case: a coaching founder launched her app without QA. Videos wouldn't load properly on 3G networks. Students complained. Ratings dropped from 4.8 to 3.1 in 1 month, all because no one tested on slower networks. Now compare that to an app tested properly. A Sura jewelry brand followed a full QA process. The app was tested on 14 devices, 5 OS versions, and 3 different network speeds. Result: smooth launch, zero crashes. 4.9 rating in the first month. Repeat orders increased because the experience was flawless. This is the point. Testing is not optional. Testing is protection. It protects your brand, it protects your ratings, it protects your user experience, and it protects the money you invested in development. In the next episode, we'll talk about how apps are built step by step with weekly updates, so you always know what's happening and can install demo builds on your phone anytime.